So, in today's class of reasoning and aptitude for bank exam and competitive exam, today's topic is direction sense test, and this is a lecture 8. Okay, so I'll give you some information, a basic idea about direction sense test. Okay, I can take down this. The concept behind the direction in the same that we use in our daily life to solve the direction sense test. First, we need to make a sketch of the data provided. Four main directions are north, south, east and west directions. Okay. So here are the directions. So first is north, south, east, west. So here let me give you all north, south, east, west. So this side it will be southwest, northwest, northeast and southeast. Okay. So this concept, these are the, you'll have to keep it in your mind. Okay, very important concept. Four cardinal directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Now there are direction facts. Okay, you all can take down the facts. At the time of sunset, the shadow of an object or a man facing east is always in the east. At the time of sunrise, the shadow of an object is always in the west. If a man stands facing the north at the time of sunrise, the shadow will be towards his left, and at the time of sunset, it will be towards its right. So at 12 noon, the rays of the sun are vertically downward, hence there will be no shadow. So you'll have to remember all this concept. Okay, very important basic directions which you'll have to know. Okay, next moving further, that is your clockwise and anti-clockwise turn. Okay, if you move in direction which is same as the moving direction of a clock hand, your movement is called clockwise turn. Okay, so this concept you all try to understand. Okay, this part you all read it. What is clockwise turn? Okay, next this will be clockwise turn. Okay, it will go like this. For anti-clockwise it will go ulta, opposite direction. Okay, suppose if this is a something in the round, okay, it will go like this, but anti-clockwise will go like what? It will go like this. The arrows will be like this. Okay, anti-clockwise, ulta. So remember this concept, very important. This is a clockwise turn. This is a clockwise turn over here, and this is an anti-clockwise turn. You all can see the arrows, you will understand it. Okay, and take down this concept. Next concept will be take down the continuation of the same thing. I have given you a clockwise turn definition. Now here it is a anti-clockwise turn. If you move in the opposite direction of the clockwise direction, your movement is called anti-clockwise turn. For example, Garima start moving from point P towards east after walking some distance. She turns her left. Now her direction is definitely towards which direction? The options given, right? So basically here is the explanation part. Obviously the answer is B, because here you all can see the left turn, right? And here it is a north side, right? North, south, east, west is given. So her direction is definitely towards the north. Why? Because she start moving from point P towards east. After walking some distance, she turns her left. Okay, she turns left, so the direction is definitely towards the north. This is your north part. Okay, so next moving further, that is different example. Okay, you all can take down the example, that is Joseph is facing the stadium. he makes a 3/4 turn to the left. What will he be facing now? Okay, so you all can see the railway station, school, home and stadium. So he is facing the stadium. Okay, and makes 3/4 turn. So let us see what is the answer for this question. So the answer is obviously the A1. Why? Because in first 1/4 turn Joseph will face home, right? In second it will be 1/4. 1/4 he will face railway station. Okay, 1/4 will be the railway station, and 1/4 turn, or in a complete 3/4 turn, he will face the school. So your answer is school, the first one, A1. Okay, here you all can see this clearly over here. You all can see the diagram clearly, right? So you all can do this. So basically this is the answer. Next, moving further, this is the explanation part. Okay, next let us see. Next example is Rahul is facing his home. Okay, it is given already. Now here there is a powerhouse, river, mango, Rahul's home, apple tree and highway. So it is also, the question is now, Rahul will face the river if he makes to his right a 1/2 turn, 3/4 turn. Options are given: 3/8 turn, or D1, that is 5/8 turn, or none of this. So basically the correct option is the option C. Now why option C is the correct option? Now let us see. Because Rahul is facing towards the river. Okay, is facing towards the river, right? So the first, starting only, the explanation was given as Rahul is facing his home. Okay, and the main concept was Rahul will face the river if he makes his right turn. Okay, so first it is home. So if he makes the right turn, what it is, river, it will make 2, 3. So 1/8 plus 1/8. So it will be 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, right? Because he is facing towards his home. So from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, it will be this. So it will be 3/8 answer. Okay, you all are adding this. 3/8 it will become. Okay, so next let us see. So basically what is the answer? The answer is Rahul will face the river if he makes 1/8 plus 1/8, 1/8. Turn 3/8 turns to the right, to his right. So I hope you all have understood this concept. Okay, the correct option was option C. That's why I said C is the correct option. Okay, next, moving towards the second one, same, under same concept. Okay, now question number 2 is what? If Rahul makes 5/8 turn to his left, he will face a river, a powerhouse, a highway, or apple tree, or none of this. So let us see which option is the correct option. So Rahul makes 5/8 turn to his left side. So let us see. So okay, let us see. Okay, over here only, if Rahul makes 5/8 turn towards his left, so towards his left will be here, right? From here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is obviously the river, because it is 5/8, right? 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, you all are getting 5 times. Okay, here 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 3 and 1/8, 1/8. So how many times it is? 5/8. Okay, so you all are getting 5/8 turn. Okay, so towards his left side. So towards his left. So obviously the answer is what? River. So obviously the river is your answer, okay, from the given this thing. So option A is the correct option, okay. So let me rub this part, okay, this explanation I hope you all have understood. That explanation of the second one is here, okay. The second explanation is right over here. You all can take down the explanation part, okay, of the second one of this. The explanation of this is right over here, okay. Next, let us see the third one, okay. We are going to see the third one. Third one, let us see. What is given over here? To face apple tree, Rahul has to make how many turns? That we have to see, right? So Rahul has to make, so he has to make left, okay. So he has to make left turn, okay. So obviously it will be what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, he has to get what? He has to face apple tree. Rahul has to make how many turns? Okay. Okay. So either it is not mentioned that he should go turn towards the left or right, but if he has to face the apple tree, Rahul has to make either he can go this side, left turn. So it will become 1/8 turn to his left, but this will be left side. But in option, is it given? In the option is there 1 upon here, right, to his right is there, so we cannot take this, okay. So we have to basically move towards the other side, so this cannot be this. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to move towards the right. 1, okay, 1/8 plus 1/8, okay. Just make 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. So how many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7/8 towards the 7/8 turn to his right side. So it went towards the right side, right? Here you all can see this clearly. So the correct option is 7 upon, C is the correct option. 7/8 turn to his right. Okay. So next example, let us see what is given. Which one of the following is incorrect for the given diagram? Okay, so basically the options are given here, and option in this, obviously the option B will be the correct option. Why option B is the correct option? Because explanation I have given you all here only. You all can take down the explanation. Point A is in northwest of M. So here point A is in northwest of M. Point B is in southwest of M. Point A is in the west of M. Point H is in the north of M. So here point B is southwest of M. But here in the option what is given? South B is in the southeast of M. So obviously B is the correct option for this one, okay. And even you all can see the direction. You all can even see the direction, okay. Wait, let me give it to you all. See here it is given north, south, east, west, northwest. This, therefore the statement option B is incorrect, okay. So incorrect option is B1. Next, moving towards the next example, that is example you all can take down. How many letters will appear the same if we rotate the given letter by 1/2 turn? Hem, talking, sin, okay. One word is given. So for this one, the correct option is option C, 5, because here the reason is given. Okay. Explanation is given: the letter H, O, X, I and N will appear the same if we rotate the given letter by 1/2 turn. Okay. So what I'll have to do is, let us take the next example. I hope so you all have understood the explanation part. Next example is, how many letters will not appear the same if we rotate a given letter by 1/2 turn? O, X, A, Z, I, N, E is given. So what is the correct option for this one? The correct option for this one is option C, 2. Okay, answer is 2. And the explanation is given right over here. All the letters except two letters A and E will appear the same if we rotate them by 1/2 turn. So only this, if you rotate this, A and E will be as it is. Okay. Rest. So okay, I hope you all have understood this part also. Next, let us moving towards the next example, that is you can take down. Amit walks towards west. After traveling some distance, he takes a right turn, and traveling some distance, he again takes a right turn. In which direction will be facing now? He will be facing now. Okay. Options are given: southwest, northeast, or none of this. So option D is correct. Let us see why option D is correct. Here obviously the option D is correct, but why it is correct? Let us see. So here what is given? Amit walks towards west. Okay, he is walking towards the west. After traveling some distance, he takes right turn. Okay, he will take a right turn. His starting position is this. He will take a right turn, and traveling some distance again he will take a right turn. In which direction he is facing now? So obviously which option is correct? I said option E. He is facing towards the east side. Okay. So therefore Amit will be facing east direction. So he is facing the east direction, right? So let me rub this part. Okay. So obviously east is the correct option. You all can take down it. I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, this is the correct option. Next, moving further towards the next example, that is okay, what is given over here is, one morning Manoj and Lalit were walking towards each other face to face at a crossing. If Manoj's shadow was exactly towards the left of Lalit, which direction was Lalit facing? East, west, north, south? None of these options are given. So let us see. In the question it is given that Manoj and Lalit were walking towards each other face to face. Okay, at a crossing. There is a crossing over here. If Manoj's shadow were exactly towards the left of Lalit will be here. Okay, Manoj's shadow is left of Lalit. Which direction was Lalit facing? So Lalit was facing which direction? North direction. Therefore Lalit was facing north direction. So option C is the correct option, right? Option C is the correct option. Next, so today I'll wind up my class over here only. In the next class, the next topic will be ranking test and comparison. I hope you'll have understood the concept of today's, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, for more updation of more classes regarding reasoning and aptitude. And thanks for watching. Keep supporting.